गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुरेव महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। मातृवत्र लालयत्र च पितृवत् मार्गदर्शिता नमो गुरु सत्ताय श्रद्धा प्रज्ञा युता च या। हमारे साथ साथ गायत्री महामंत्र ओम भूर्भुवस्व तस्य वितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। मेरे आत्मिक भाइयों एवं बहनों, आज के इस संध्या वेलीन सत्संग सामंजस्य के जूम बेस मीटिंग में परम पूज्य गुरुदेव वंदनीय माता जी के सूक्ष्म उपस्थिति में हम सभी मिल करके जानेंगे कि हमारे अंदर देवत्व की जागृति कैसे होगी। देखिए, हर मनुष्य के अंदर जो आपको ये मानव का तन मिला है, ये जीवन मिला है, ये एक अवसर के रूप में मिला है। इस अवसर का सबसे अच्छा उपयोग क्या होगा, किस तरह आप इस अवसर का उपयोग करेंगे, उसके लिए यह निश्चित रूप से आप जान लीजिए कि जैसे एक किसान को अगर जमीन दी जाए, उसमें वह बीज न बोए तो उस जमीन का उसे कोई लाभ नहीं मिलेगा। उसी तरह यह जीवन परमात्मा ने हमें दिया है, और अगर इसमें हम देवत्व रूपी बीज नहीं बोते हैं तो इसका हमें कोई लाभ नहीं मिलेगा। समझ लीजिए, भगवान ने जितनी भी योनियां बनाई हैं, उन सभी योनियों में सबसे जिम्मेदार योनि जो है वह मनुष्य की होती है। तो इस मनुष्य योनि में आकर के अगर आप अपने अंदर देवत्व को नहीं जागृत करेंगे, देवत्व को नहीं बोएंगे, then what will happen? Your life is going to be converted into trouble. Every day you will find one or other trouble in your life, and then you will have the feeling of loneliness. You will say that God is not with me, and why this kind of trouble is coming in my life. Who is responsible for this? You are responsible for this. Whatever you sow, same you reap. Whatever you do, same you get. The principle of action and reaction, what Lord Krishna in Srimad Bhagavad Gita explained, that whatever work you do, same amount of result will come in your life. So this principle is applicable for each and every human being. Whoever is has taken the life of human being in this world, if he will not do good deeds, if he will not do good works, there is no question he can get good fruits. Like suppose you go grow mango, so from what you will get mango plant? You'll definitely get mango. If you are going to grow coconut, you will get coconut. If you are going to grow the thorns, cactus, definitely you'll get the cactus. These are the very simple principle of life which was taught by Yogeshwar Sri Krishna in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. He said that you do your work and leave everything on the me. You do your work. Whatever you are doing for the sake of happiness in your life. You see, every day we move from here and there. We do one job, we do another job. And why we do all these things? So that there should be happiness in our life. Ultimately, what you get? Do you get happiness in your life? So if you don't get happiness in your life, it means something is wrong in your life. The greatest happiness, greatest gift which you have got from God is the human birth. As a human being, you have to inculcate the happiness in your life. If you are not able to show, suppose as a human being, you are not finding any kind of happiness in your life, it means something is wrong. You are not able to plan your days. When you are not going to plant good sapling in your life, how will you get it? Similar to the farmer, you can check if a farmer is having good field, he has done everything, but the seed which he is growing is not going to bear the fruits. So what will be ultimate result on him? Ultimately, he will have to take the same fruit. So whatever you do, either in this life or in the previous life, all the karmic actions you have to take with. This is one of the greatest principle, that is called principle of rebirth. Principle of rebirth is one of the unique principle. If you adopt this, your not only this life but coming life also will be good. Whatever is coming to you in this life, remember, either you have done here itself or you have done in past. If you don't do anything wrong, you cannot receive wrong. So this principle you have to keep in mind. Now, next thing comes how to evolve ourselves, how to create the divinity within yourself. The topic which I am going to explain you, that is Devatva ki Jagriti, creating divinity within yourself. Those who give, they only receive. This is one of the greatest principles taught by God in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. You can do with action and reaction principle. Whatever you give to the world, same will come to you. You can see many examples are there. In nature also, the river give always water to the ocean. River never feel empty. The fruits bearing plant, they always give fruits. It is said that the saying is like this, that परमारथ के कारणे वृक्ष कबहु न फल भगे, नदी न संचय नीर, परमारथ के कारणे साधुन धरा सरी. This means that a tree never takes his own fruits and river never takes its own water. They have only one cause. Cause is to do well-being of others. So when you do well-being of others, so there is no question that you will not be benefited from it. You will get lot of benefit from it. Remember, each and every soul in this universe, they are together. You cannot say the soul is different from each other. They all are bonded together. We say no, Vayam Sarve Sahodara. It means we all are brothers and sisters. In which way we are brothers and sisters? You see, some of us are here, some of us are there. So our countries are different, our religion is different. These differences, they are man-made. But eternal truth is that we all are one. Vayam Sarve Sahodara. हम सभी भाई भाई हैं as soul. And Supreme Soul is our Father. परमात्मा हमारा पिता है. So keeping this faith within you that a father never do injustice. ये जो world के भी father होते हैं, they also don't do injustice with their son. So how can a divine father do injustice with you? It means logically you are not thinking. In Jnana Yoga, if you adopt everything properly, then whatever you do, same will come to you. If in your life you have got the plantation for mango, you will have mango. Nobody can say that after a few years mango will give coconut. Similar way, if you are doing good work, then you will have good result. So for that process, if you as a human being, you are not able to adopt that, yes, I should do good work and I should result the fruits of that. What you should do? Create divinity in your life. Creating divinity in the sense that अपने जीवन में देवत्व का उदय करें. आपके जीवन में divinity कैसे आएगी? How the divinity will come in your life? The principle is same. You be a farmer. आप एक किसान की तरह जीवन जिए, जैसे किसान जीता है. अगर कोई किसान को देखे, एक फार्मर को देखे, तो कहेगा he is a fool. वो तो मूर्ख है. वो क्यों अपने खेतों में इन बीजों को डाल रहा है? उसे तो अपने घर में रखना चाहिए. He should keep all these seeds in the house itself. But the person who knows agriculture, he will say that yes, he is doing the right thing. Similar way, whatever you have, if you have good knowledge, good things, God has given you health, wealth, wisdom, इसे भगवान की खेत में बोइए. Really, you will find 10 times more back to you. That is called divine culture. Many times you might have heard this word, हमारा culture different है. We have deity culture, divine culture. The Sanatan Sanskriti itself tell that this world you have to give. Giving is one of the point which you have to keep with yourself. If you keep on giving, remember there is no emptiness in your life. Your life will be fulfilled. What can you give to other people? Many people think that only we can give money to. And some of them, they have the concept that we should keep money for the next day. Remember, whatever you have, keep a little bit for yourself and give it to that those who need it. So the greatest donation of this world is not only money, it is knowledge. योगेश्वर श्री कृष्ण इन श्रीमद् भगवान कहते हैं कि संसार का सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट ज्ञान है. हमारे एक जो व्यक्ति हैं वो साउथ अफ्रीका से एडिट है, इसलिए हम इसको ट्रांसलेट में इंग्लिश कर रहे हैं. सो प्लीज ऑल ऑफ यू डोंट माइंड इट, लिसन इट. इफ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ डाउट, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. सो keep on giving. So greatest gift which you can give this world is knowledge. that is called Gyan. Knowledge of what? The first knowledge of self. Who am I? मैं हूं कौन? What is this body? What are the vices? बुराइयां क्या हैं? When you have the concept, who am I within yourself, you will find I am divine spirit. What Jagat Guru Shankaracharya said, Aham Brahmasmi. Na me sukham, na me dukham, na me punyam, na me papam. Sachidanando aham, Shivo aham, Shivo aham. Neither I am good thing, neither I am bad thing. Neither I am punya, neither I am pap. I am Sachidanand Swarup, Shiv Swarup. God itself. So this is true not only for Jagat Guru Shankaracharya. It is true for each and every individual. See the word which when you use Jagat Guru means he is the knowledge for whole universe, not only for this. So keep this within your mind that divine being you are. You don't have to be a divine. Swami Vivekananda has said that each and every individual has potential to be divine. Every individual. See, he is not differentiating that whether you have high caste, whether you are low caste, whether you are educated, whether you are uneducated, where you are here, whether you are there. Each and every individual has potential to be divine. Each and every individual has potential to be divine. It was interruption of the due to network. So as an individual, the divinity should grow within you. You should be divine. You should be thinking within yourself, yes, I am a divine being born in this world. So the function of divine being is to spread divinity. Everywhere you should spread divinity. The moment you will spread everywhere divinity, what will happen? The moment you will spread divinity, you will have the feeling of divinity within you. You will have the feeling of embodiment of God within you. The God will guide you. Recite Gayatri Mantra with me. After that, I will go for the next second. Om Bhur Bhuvasva Tasya Viturvaredyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhuvasva Tasya Viturvaredyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhuvasva Tasya Viturvaredyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhuvasva Tasya Viturvaredyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhuvasva Tasya Viturvaredyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. Let us continue. May Gurudev Mataji bless each one of you. Those who are listening me, you should have divine being. You convert into divine being. So let us talk about that. So the moment you find yourself in a condition of trouble, what you should do? This is the basic problem in the world. There are trouble of four kinds. Either you have financial trouble, money is not coming to you. How will you survive? What you will spend? So for this, you should remember it. The moment you get money, first pray to God that, yes, let me, please help me so that I can survive. Now you got the money. What you should do? 1/10 of the part of that money you should use for the well-being of the world. The greatest well-being is spreading knowledge. Now, at this moment, what you do? Your life will become good. You forget the God and consume everything. You're not thinking as a farmer that I should grow some seedling in the farm. I should grow these seeds in the farm so that next day I can have harvest. So start giving. If you have got 100 rupees, give 1 rupees. If you have got 1,000 rupees, give 10 rupees. So when you apply this principle, the problem of the shortcoming of money will be solved. Immediately you'll find your shortness of money is going to solve. You'll find that in your life, there will be abundance. When you will have abundance in your life, really you will be happy. So shortage of money is because of you only. The days of prosperity, when you are very happy, at that time everything you consume. आपने सब कुछ consume कर लिया. You have never done the farming. The moment you will do farming as a farmer, really it will be miracle. एक किसान की तरह अगर आप जीवन जिए तो आपका जीवन मिरेकल हो जाएगा. बट इफ यू डोंट नो फार्मिंग, देन आप देखेंगे कि फार्मर क्या करता है. व्हाट ही डज, ही throws the seed in the farm. So anyone who is not having the knowledge of agriculture will say that yes, he's wasting all the seeds. But exactly what he's doing agriculture. Similar way, your life is also a farm through the seeds of good in the world. So this is about the financial issues. Now, word is power, thought is power. These two aspects are very important. हमारे शब्द ही शक्ति हैं और विचार ही शक्ति है. You should have good thought within yourself. Inculcating good thought. Every day you take bath. Every day you wash your hand. Every day you clean yourself. Now come to this point. Do you clean your mind? If you cannot clean it, take help from someone who is cleansed one. It is said that saints are like soap. If you be in the company of them, you will be clean. Your mind will be clean. Most of you have this concept, my mind is clean. But mind it, there are so many waste thought in your mind. These needs to be taken out. They are just like weeds. ये खरपतवार की तरह होते हैं जो हमारे मस्तिष्क में भरे हुए हैं और यही हमारे जो फर्टिलाइजर्स हैं उसको कंज्यूम कर जाते हैं. These weeds consume all the good nutrition from the field. Like a farmer, you see what he does. He keep the good plants in the field and remove the bad one. What is the result of that? The outcome of that is that whatever plant he is growing, he get best out of it. Whatever plant he grows, he get best out of that. So when he get best out of that, outcome is what? Outcome is that he feel happy. So happiness will come in your life. Similar way, there are certain things which you should remember. To be a good human being is good thing.